am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expedition. You back and I find for the grave. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so
right down this hallway, right here.
We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more
all the way down.
Great.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia.
Sound went off. Alright, well, Hunter just got a little bit sick, but...
Now, despite what you may have heard, my friends, when you work for Onaka Transport Solutions, there is no need to worry. Everything is precise, professional, and...
He's got a little sick.
What do you mean, system failure?
I'll make sure you guys understand.
Oh, that's what you mean by system failure. Of course, I repaired the power couplers. I mean, not personally, but I had someone repair them. I think I had someone repair the power couplers. Never mind that. R5, access the emergency power supply. Offline. What good is an emergency power supply if it's not ready in an emergency? This is unacceptable. I have a ship ready, a crew waiting, and nobody is making me any money. Does anyone have a lantern, a lightsaber, a little star? This is ridiculous. Follow the crew member and we'll get this fixed right away, my friends. Go, go, go.
Alright, there's gonna be a message from up here. Maybe there was. Well, it's just saying for your safety,
For
please.
your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
I told you guys the Falcon's a hunk of junk. So sometimes it doesn't work like we want it to, but our mission is to go to the planet Corellia. We're going to follow behind a first order trading ship, and we're capturing a load of coaxium. So my two pilots, you're going to stay behind that first order trading ship for me. Have you flown a ship like this before?
Yes.
Yes, twice. So have you piloted a ship like this before? All right, wonderful. So my left and right pilot, my up and down pilot, just push it towards you, or excuse me, pull it towards you to go up. Now, my two gunners, have you gunned on a ship like this before?
No.
All right. So please shoot at whatever looks unfriendly.
Okay.
If they're shooting at us, that probably means they're unfriendly. Just press those flashing buttons for me. You will have a prompt on your screen for manual or automatic targeting. So if you want Hondo to help you out a little bit more with targeting, that's up to you. Manual targeting is, of course, a little bit more work, but double the points. All right, then my two engineers. Have you engineered on a ship like this before?
No.
No. All right, so you're going to be fixing whatever these four people break. So you might have a lot to do. I'm kidding. But just press those flashing buttons for me. The faster you do it, the more points we get. And you will be extending the harpoons to capture the coaxium. So that's a big orange button. It'll light up. Hondo will tell you when. Press that. That'll capture the coaxium, which is the whole goal of this mission. Everybody feeling good? Questions, comments, concerns? Good. All right, we're just going to wait a couple moments for Hondo to give us the A-OK. That we're ready to board, and just wait one moment for me here.
Flashing buttons to activate your panels. May the force be with you, my friends.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You better be faster when we get to real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, go back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. I hope you're a good shot. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brace. Good work. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. Just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white trains? Would you fly through them? Gunners, shoot the train. I think I will let you tell the world. Oh, God. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look. Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chu is right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Only 3 left. He's the last. You did it! Watch out! Oh, that's going to be great job, my friends. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on,
my
get out.
friends. We get the coaxium. All right. All right. this way, but make sure you have all of our personal